will be 1 minute added on at the end. Can he put them in front? And the ball is loose. And there it is, a goal. I must say, much to the annoyance of the keeper.
Well, when you see this again, I think the goalkeeper's very unlucky. He makes a good initial save, but the ball comes off of him, rebounds straight to the attack.
Mo Salah. They do pass the ball with authority. And a goal to square the game. Edge of the seat stuff.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much.
Now with Müller. And he takes on the shot. Oh, they've done it! They forged ahead, and it might be the goal that gives them victory.